வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் டேர்ம் 3 சிவிக்ஸ் 3rd லெசன் ரோட் சேஃப்டி. அந்த லெசன் தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் கொஷின் வித் ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ரோட் சேஃப்டி இஸ் மீன் ஃபார் டேஷ். ஆப்ஷன் டி, ஆல் who யூஸ் ரோட்ஸ் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Road accidents affect a countries. Option D, all the above is the correct answer. Permit refers to dash. Option A, permission for driving is the correct answer. Raksha Safe Drive is a device useful for dash. Option C, car drivers is the correct answer. Road Safety Week celebration was first imitated in India in the year dash. Option B, 1989 is the correct answer. Next one, filling the blanks. He must useful invention of man for transport is dash wheel. Using dash is inevitable in our journey of life. Vehicles. Too many vehicles on the road cause dash and dash pollution, traffic jam and more pollution. Dash is the monetary supporter of a family, breadwinners. In case of emergency for medical assistance, call dash for help. Answer 108. Next one, match the following. மேட்ச் த ஃபாலோயிங்கில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு உங்களுக்கு வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா நான் கொஷின்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். கீழே உங்களுக்கு அதுக்கான ஸ்ட்ரைட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். இன்ஃபர்மேட்ரி சைன், பெட்ரோல் பம்ப் சைன், ஜீப்ரா கிராசிங், வாக்கர்ஸ், மேண்டட்டரி சைன், டிராஃபிக் லைட்ஸ், காஷனரி சைன், நேரோ பெண்ட் சைன், ரைட் டு டிரைவ் எ வெஹிக்கல், லைசன்ஸ். Next one, consider the following statement. Tick the appropriate answer. Assertion and result are given. You can choose the answers. Assertion, carpooling is the use of vehicles by turns. Result, it saves fuel, time and money and also. Option B, A is correct and R is also correct. Find the odd one. The 4 options are given. The option D, aeroplanes, is the correct answer because remaining 3 are using the roadways. Only aeroplanes use the airways. So aeroplanes is the odd one. Next one, true or false. Road safety education in the school curriculum is an additional burden for the students. False. And once of particular practice is worth more than tons of preaching. True. Hoarding on roads has to be banned. True. Following road safety rules from childhood will become the habit in future. True. Next one, answer the following. What are the distractors while driving? Taking over the mobile phone or texting message or engaging in many activities, attention diverted from driving. Mention the 2 safety gears for safe driving. Use of helmets for two-wheelers and seat belts for four-wheelers are the two safety gears for safe driving. Why is not safe to drive in nights? An extra alertness is needed while driving at night. The uncontrolled sleep, tiredness due to long drive, poor lighting on the road can cause fatal accidents. When can a person obtain the right to drive a vehicle? One should be eligible to get a driving license at the age of 18. One who drives a vehicle should have undergone the training and test to obtain the driving license. How can media promote road safety among the public? Mass media and journals could play the key role to raise awareness on road safety. In a particular, they can disseminate preventive messages and promote safe behaviors, increase people's knowledge and understanding of the gravity of the problem, and advocate for safer roads and system. Next one, answer the following in detail. List out the documents necessary for Indian while driving. One who drives a vehicle should have undergone the training test to obtain a driving license. It is compulsory to have the following documents: driving license, registration certificate of the vehicle, insurance certificate, taxation certificate, fitness certificate and permit. What is need for including road safety education in the school curriculum? Parents and teachers play a vital role in imparting road safety education to young ones. If a child's parent violates the traffic rules, the child too will imitate the same in future. So the elders have to set an example for them in adhering to the safety rules and regulation. Road safety education should be provided since childhood. It has to be made a part of school curriculum syllabus, textbook, and included in competition on road safety. Activities like writing of slogans, essays, and paintings on this theme should be conducted for reinforcement. How can parents teach their children road safety rules? Parents and teachers play a vital role in imparting road safety education to young ones. If the child parent violates the traffic rules, the child too will imitate the same in future. So the elders have to set an example for them in adhering to the safety rules and regulations. Video and computer games that simulate receiving should be banned by the government or discouraged by parents, as it will help develop racing habit in children. Parents should help the children learn about the traffic signals and routes. They should be instructed to wait for the right signal and use the zebra crossing while crossing the road. They should be warned them not to run across or along the road and to use the footpath while walking on the road. The video will be completed. The next lesson video will be uploaded soon. Thank you for watching my channel.